What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, we're gonna be going ahead finally cleaning out my charger. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my Cutlass back yet, and I told you I was gonna wait till I got my Cutlass back, but man, I ain't gonna lie, it's getting too hot for me to ride around with all this stuff in this car. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out today, put it up, and you feel me, keep it out of everybody's way, you feel me, so it don't be like I told y'all before. I didn't want to put it in my uncle's house or my grandma's house just because I didn't want people walking in the house and then they seeing all these packages and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It just wouldn't be really a good look on their part anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up today and basically put it in a spot to where hopefully it won't be seen as much. You feel me? So I'm gonna put it in my room and we're gonna do it like that and just keep my door shut. So if anybody try to look in there, they shouldn't really have no business because the door shut. So yeah, man, y'all know we got all these parts up in this car, literally all these parts in here, and they all for the Cutlass. Everything in this car is for the Cutlass, and yeah, it's just getting too hot for me to ride around with this stuff in. So we're gonna be taking all this stuff out this video. Then the next video I'm gonna be vacuuming out the interior of the car. You know what I'm saying? The car needs to be vacuumed out badly, bro. I haven't got to clean this inside in a while, you know, since I started working on that Cutlass. I ain't been able to clean the inside of my car. Now the only thing I'm not gonna be taking out is gonna be my tools, but all these parts for the Cutlass is getting taken out. It's going inside the crib, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, I've been needing to do this, been wanting to do this. I mean, it really ain't been bothering me because I ain't really been driving this car to go anywhere. You feel me? It'd be different if I had to get on the road and go somewhere, but I haven't really been having to go nowhere. So it really ain't bothered me just having this stuff in the car. But like I said, man, for one, I don't want nobody trying to break in my car, seeing all these packages, and then they get thousands of dollars worth of parts. You feel me? This is thousands of dollars worth of parts, which be my fault because I shouldn't have left it in here. So while I can, and while I still got all this stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, put it up, and we're gonna rock out like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't wanna really risk, like I was saying, having nobody break in this car and steal anything, and then after they steal some stuff, since they already broke in, they probably try to take my car. Because if y'all don't know, a lot of cars have been getting taken. I don't know why. Don't know why people doing it. I mean, that's the risk I guess they want to take. But a lot of cars been getting broken into and stolen, and I can't afford to lose this car. You know what I'm saying? This is my daily. This car, if I need to go anywhere, I hop right into this car and go. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like I said, I don't want to risk none of that happening. If somebody breaking this car, the only thing they'll find is some tools. So I don't want these parts getting taken, because for one, it took me a while to get these parts. Two, these parts are not cheap at all. Like I said, a couple $1,000s worth of parts right here. You feel me? So we're gonna be putting them up today, and we're gonna just rock out like that. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I ain't really working on the car, it's more so cleaning out my car, and then we're gonna work on cleaning up the interior. I'm gonna wipe down some stuff, and yeah, after I wipe down stuff, we're gonna vacuum out the car, because this car really needs to be vacuumed, and then we're gonna go from there. You know what I'm saying? And I have my full car back with no car parts in here. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy the video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together, and I catch y'all once I get outside the car. It's hot and I'm starting to sweat, so I catch y'all once I get outside. Alright y'all, so let me bag up out of the sun. So talk to y'all for a second. One of the first things we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull everything out, and I'm gonna basically just set them right in this area beside the box Chevy. I'm gonna set everything right here, and then I'm gonna start taking stuff in, not even one by one, but I'm trying to pile up as much stuff as I can and tote it in, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is start getting everything out of the car, and we're just gonna move on from there. So like I said, I'm gonna see what all else I want to take out, because I know some of them tools I'm gonna leave in my car, because you never know when you'll need a tool, or if you break down, you feel me, you never know when you're gonna need them. So I'd rather leave them in my car, especially since I don't have my own house, my own garage. I'm gonna just leave them in my car, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, the boxes though, let me go ahead and show y'all, man. Look at all this. So I'm gonna basically tell y'all too which each part is. So carpet, I think that's the paint, this should be the air cleaner, that should be the valve covers, the dash, the T-top trim that go around the T-top, my speakers, the painted armrest. Yeah, man, we just need to get everything out of here. Need to get everything up out of here. So like I said, I'm gonna start by pulling this, voice just cracked. I'm gonna start by pulling this dash out. I'm gonna get the gear shift out as well. This is speaker covers, the DS18 covers. What is this? This is the Flowmasters Super 10s. Y'all know we got 2 of them. That should be the sun visors. That should be the wiper arms. I think that's the exhaust tips. I don't know for sure. I'm gonna have to look and see. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and start pulling everything out. So sit y'all right here, and let's start getting to work, man. I need to go on the other side first. Get this open. Pull some of this stuff out. Yeah, these are DS18 speaker covers. I don't know what this is. The steering wheel for the Cutlass. Yeah, because y'all know we did the one for the box Chevy. That's the one for the Cutlass. Flowmasters. Valve covers out. I'm gonna most likely be sending these back because I ordered some more, and they supposed to be 2 inches. So whenever they come in, I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, I'm most likely gonna be sending that one back. Sun visors. This is the trunk trim. Y'all know the Cutlasses and stuff come with trunk trim, and I went ahead and ordered some more trunk trim. Got that off eBay. This is my mirror for the Cutlass. Like I said, wiper arms. Y'all know I done stacked up on parts, man. So when I get that car back, all I should have to do is straight up, you know what I'm saying, install stuff. So yeah, let me keep moving. I'm gonna let this train go by and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I got just about everything taken out. It's only like 3 more boxes, and I want to show y'all on camera while I took them out. But before I did that, I just wanted to show y'all, you feel me, I went ahead and got the armrests out, which I'm still regretting painting blue. I wish I would have went and painted them black. And then these are the exhaust tips, these are the trim. I think these are the fender trims, you know. And this is gonna be, this is not for the Cutlass. Y'all see, chassis paint. So this is the rust repair for my box Chevy. I gotta get more for my Cutlass. Hopefully them 4 cans should be enough, you feel me. It's the paint and the rust to paintable surface, you know what I'm saying. So it converts it. And then got my paint for the Cutlass, paint, y'all know, valve cover, air intake or air cleaner, both of my Flowmasters that I'm putting on there, wiper arms, the gear shift, the sun visors, the mirror, the trunk trim, the speaker spacers, the DS18 speaker covers, and the steering wheel cover, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, last two or 3, maybe 4 boxes should be the 4 boxes. So it's 4 boxes left. The dash, the carpet, the speakers, the DS18s, and the T-top trim. So let's go ahead and get all that stuff taken out and keep moving forward. Here you go, right here, the big old box. A huge box, you know what I'm saying? Fell in love with road running. I run routes like tires. What y'all know about that boss man D-Lo? He ain't talking about no money. And this is why I was telling y'all my T-top trim. Almost done, man, almost done. And then the DS18 speakers. Y'all see, that was the last box. Now I got 2 amps in here that I was gonna try for the Cutlass, but it's a few more amps I also got that I want to try. But yep, 2 amps that I want to try. This is a 5 gate, this is a kicker. I'm probably not gonna use either one, but I got them just to try out anyways. But now, that should be everything. Now the only thing I gotta do now is organize my tools. I'm gonna send my tools back here in the back seat. Get this out of here. Take that fan out. I used to use that fan because I didn't have AC, but don't need that anymore. It's my tripod. I'm gonna move this from out of the window like that, but I'm gonna get the fan out. Don't need that no more. I'm saying that, just go ahead and pull it down, and then get this sheet out, because this is what I was using to protect my seat so the seats wouldn't get too dirty. And y'all see it did a pretty good job. You feel me? My seat still look pretty good. That's been like that since I got the car. But like I said, I'm gonna organize the tools in the back. And yeah, man, you feel me? This is my first time seeing my car like this in a while. And these tools, I'm not gonna leave them on the ground. But like I said, I'm gonna put the tools and stuff in the seat. Maybe I'll leave this. Nah, it'll be alright. The tools shouldn't get that dirty. The jacket's gonna be the only thing I'm gonna leave down there on the ground, but everything else I'm gonna be putting up here on the seats. And then whenever I get ready to vacuum, just keep moving stuff out of the way. So like I said, get my tools out of the way. It's my heat gun. Yeah, man, I'm happy, bro. You feel me? It's the first time my car I've got to see the back seat of my car in a while, you know what I'm saying? First I used to ride with wheels in the back, because for one, I was selling them, flipping wheels and doing that stuff, and I haven't flipped no wheels in a while. I haven't went and bought none, so yeah, that's been put on hold. But after that, it was to get all these tools. So all of this stuff, bro, dash, speakers, all of this stuff, man, everything, amps, everything, bro, all this stuff. So yeah, man, this is everything that was inside of my box, not my box Chevy. Start back over. This is everything that was inside of my Cutlass. One more time. This is everything that was inside of my Charger, my daily, all these boxes, bro, all these boxes. And I finally got it out, and now my daily is gonna be clean, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, next video we're gonna be taking it to get vacuumed, and I'm gonna wipe down the interior, and we're gonna keep moving on forward like that. But this is everything that is for my Cutlass, all my Cutlass parts. And I was gonna wait till I got the car back to take all this stuff out, but yeah, went ahead and just did it now. Like I said, I ain't want to risk it. I've been seeing too many videos of people cars getting taken, especially on TikTok, and it's crazy, you know? So I'd rather them take my car with none of these parts, and it's a couple $1,000s in parts for that Cutlass. So yep, let me go ahead and put all this stuff up in the crib. Then I'm gonna organize the car, show y'all the car organized, and catch y'all for the end. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm now finished. What's left out here is what I got taken to the crib. Out of here, fly. So this is that extra black vinyl material that I had for the Cutlass. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. And then this is the old sheet set that I was using, like when I wrap up my wheels and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And then this fan for when I ain't have AC, but I have AC now, so I don't need that up in the car no more. So if we move to the inside of the car, them some headlights, I'm gonna put all this stuff up after I vacuum out the interior of the car. But yeah, man, look how filthy my car is, bro. I'm gonna most likely be throwing these away too, you feel me, and just rock out with my black mats. But yeah, because if I ever need some more, I just order some. But yeah, man, look at my car, bro. I ain't never let my car get this filthy, bro, until I started getting them parts for the Cutlass. But this exhaust tip is just one, so I can't really use, well, I can because my Charger only had one tip. But yeah, I'm gonna probably order a different tip for this car. And it's supposed to be a carbon lip. I got this for free, and most likely not even gonna use it. So just set that there. That's the paint for the box Chevy. I haven't unwrapped the box Chevy, so I haven't really done nothing with that yet. So just left it right there. And like I said, headlights, I'm gonna put them up after I clean out the inside of my car. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wipe everything down in here, wipe it all down good. And if we move to the back, it's still really too much stuff in here, but like I said, I gotta keep my tools with me. It don't matter to me. So all my power tools down there, and in my toolbox, my socket set, another socket set for the wheels, another wheel socket set, my universal Lambo door kit sitting right there, which I still need to get put on or try to do it myself, but I think it requires a little bit of welding. Yeah, I know I've been trying to practice welding, but I haven't been able to go and get my uncle's welding machine, so I'm gonna go and get that probably in a couple weeks and start practicing welding and see how good I can become with welding, and then some extra little nicks and knacks of tools, you feel me? That hammer I gotta get back to my dad because I don't need it, but he done, like I said, socket sets, and then my jack. So yep, like I said, still a little bit too much in here, but when I get my own crib, then I'll be able to put all my tools in my own crib. But until then, I'm gonna keep my tools on me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, got the car cleaned out. Now all I gotta do, like I said, next video we're gonna be wiping all this stuff down, my door panels, wipe down these little panels here, and then we're gonna vacuum out the interior of the car, which is not gonna be too hard, you know what I'm saying? So yep, got that all done. Like I said, take this last little bit in the house, and then we really fully done, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We finally got my Charger cleaned out, and I can fully ride around and not have to like scoot up a lot to try to look over that big old box that was sitting right here beside me. Yeah, it's not here no more. So yeah, man, like I said, I'm excited, man. I'm happy. Got my car cleaned out. I still don't like, I hate when people ride in my car, because I feel like people don't respect your stuff like you respect your stuff. So I still don't like people riding in my car, but yeah, now I got room for people to ride up in here again. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I had fun cleaning it out. I'm happy that it's cleaned out, you know. And like I said, the last thing I gotta do now is just clean it up, like actually clean it. Some of these wires I'm gonna take out, like this little wire here. I'm gonna end up taking that stuff out because, you feel me, I don't want that no more. And I got stars in the ceiling, so even though I still need to redo that again and finish hiding that, but it'll be alright, you feel me. I ain't really in a rush to finish it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull some of them wires out, the wires and stuff I don't need. Y'all know we hid my wires for my EQ, so you can't even see the wires there no more. And I kind of want to change the placement of my EQ out. It's gonna be holes in my center console, so I'm really not gonna be able to. I want to put my EQ like right here, you know, so it'd be extra hidden and not in people's face. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, we didn't really do no work, but we kind of did work, you know what I'm saying? We cleaned up my Charger. Now, like I said, the next step is actually cleaning it, vacuuming it, wiping stuff down and all that good stuff. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.